Hello guys, welcome back to another video of setting up for web development. Now in this video we'll be talking about extensions. Now what are extensions? Extensions are programs that add features and also enhance the existing capabilities of a program or software. Now when I say software in this context, I mean Visual Studio Code. By the way, if you don't know how to install Visual Studio Code, there's a card popping on your screen right now. I'll recommend you check it out. Now, the main reason why we need extensions is to get our hands on some of these functionalities, right? That is code linting and formatting, live collaboration, code refactoring, code navigation, and also live reloading. Now, there are a lot of functionalities you can get from installing extensions in Visual Studio Code. Now, some of these functionalities don't come by default, or they are not, or you can't get them by default in Visual Studio Code. So, in order to get some of these functionalities, you need to install programs we term as extensions, right? Now, in subsequent videos, we also talk about how to install extensions. So the main two extensions we will be installing are Prettier and also Live Server. Now Prettier is a code formatter that we will be using to format our HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript code as we progress in our web development journey. Now another extension we're also going for is the Live Server. Now Live Server is a local development server, right, which also gives us some functionalities like live reloading, that is you seeing your changes in the browser whilst you are coding without manually reloading your browser. Now most of these functionalities, we would have a look at how they work in subsequent videos. So as I said, in subsequent videos we'll talk about how to install extensions in Visual Studio Code, and also we'll have a look at how these extensions are used or why we need them in our web development journey. So see you in the next video.